Greetings, I say man Akajiugo. Let's talk about the Igbo 4 market days, which are the 4 elemental beings in Igbo land, and why your elemental day, your market day, is important in your spiritual life. Most of we in the Igbo don't even know the market day they are born on. Your market day or element is very important in your spiritual life, because the Igbo market day is very sacred. If you know you are here to know your market day, seek for Alpha to know your market day. Now, we have 4 market days in Igbo land, just as we have 4 elements and 4 state of matter. Every Igbo man and woman was born in a market day. Hence, the Igbo names Nwankwo, Okonkwo, Okeke, Mgbeke, Adaorie, Mgborie, Okorie, Nwafo, Okafo, Okeke, etc. are all related to the market day an individual is born on. The first market day and the first element is Eke market day. Eke market day is the first market day in the Igbo calendar. Eke market day is a masculine energy. Ezeenu, Amadioha, or Udo is the patron of Eke. Eke is fire element, the sun. So if you are born on Eke market day, your element is fire. The second market day is Orie market day. Orie market day is the second market day in the Igbo calendar. Orie is feminine energy. Orie is water element. So if you are born on Orie market day, your element is water element. It means you are a mariner. The third market day is Afo market day. Afo is the third market day in the Igbo calendar. Afo is the earth element. Mother Earth, Ajani or Ajana Uku, is the patron of Afo. If you are born on Afo market day, then your element is earth element. The fourth market day is Nkwo market day. Nkwo is a masculine energy and the fourth and the last market day in the Igbo calendar. Nkwo is the air element. Arobunagu, the forest deity, is the patron of Nkwo. If you are born on Nkwo market day, then your element is air element. Now, your element day or market day is very important to you. It is a day you set aside for your chi and forces. It is a special day of your life, a day you should keep holy, a day you should meditate and commune with your forces. It is the best day to feed or energize your chi or your indiotu. It is also the day you offer sacrifice to your element energy or spirit. An individual is not supposed to have carnal knowledge on his or her element day. Your element day should be sacred to you. It is a day your chi comes to you, come closer to you. It is a day you set aside for your forces. It is a day you're supposed to break cola for your forces. I will be stopping here for now. The next video. Please, if you like my video and teachings, please subscribe, share, invite, and follow. I still remain Akajiugo.